Hello viewers, Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale may start on 27th of September or 29th of September, and if you are a Plus member you will get early access to buy every product 24 hours before. A lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. So if you have HDFC credit card, you can avail this tablet well under 20,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi version. And if you don't have HDFC credit card, in that case you may have to pay around 22 to 23,000 for the Wi-Fi version, and if you want to buy the 5G version you may have to pay around 26,000 rupees using credit cards and around 28,000 rupees for the 5G version without credit card. Though this tablet has only Exynos 1380 processor inside it, yet a lot of users actually want to buy this tablet. There are some reasons behind this. The first reason is the display. It comes with 12.4 inches LCD display and the quality of the display is really good. You can enjoy your multimedia content on this tablet. You can play HDR videos. However, in HDR you cannot play 4K 60 FPS because if you play 4K 60 FPS it will stutter a bit. So 1080p 60 FPS videos can be played very easily. Plus it comes with S Pen in the box. Actually Samsung provides S Pen in the box. That is an added advantage for the users. If you buy iPad 10th generation you have to buy iPencil or third party pencil separately. If you buy Poco Pad you have to buy pencil separately. If you buy Redmi Pad Pro you have to buy pen separately, or if you want to buy OnePlus Pad 2, in that case also you have to pay around 5,000 rupees for the Stylo 2.0. But along with this tablet you can get the S Pen in the box. This is a normal S Pen, it doesn't need any charging and the latency is also great. You can enjoy your writing experience on this tablet and the note taking experience is really superb. Samsung Note app is excellent for taking notes and inserting object and text from other websites. If you really want to know about the note taking experience of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, I have made a dedicated video and the links of that video are in the description below. Using this S Pen you can do a lot of productive tasks. If you are a medical students or any other students who are preparing for any competitive examinations, in that case this will be a very good feature and very good tablet for you. Here are some samples of some footages that I have taken from phone, and these are 1080p 60 fps videos and I have stored up those videos in my tablet. Actually it supports a SD card of 1 TB, so if you want to use the storage or SD card you can do so, and thus you can transfer your internal storage data into the micro SD card slot. That will be a very good feature. As you can see here, the quality of the display is really excellent. You can enjoy anything on the screen. Plus as the display is bigger you will really enjoy the bigger display, that is 12.4 inches. Tab S9 FE Plus also comes with Samsung's own DeX mode. If you want to use it like a laptop or like a computer you can do so by tapping on DeX mode and it will reboot into DeX mode and will give you an experience like tablets or like laptops. You can use this. So it will take some time, little bit of time, but after that you can see that the layout and the interface has changed altogether. Now if you don't like DeX mode you can switch back to tablet mode, and there is also another option, that is light mode of DeX version. If you want the lighter version you have to press and hold and click on new and then start DeX, then you can use the lighter version of DeX mode. So these are three options: tablet mode, lighter DeX mode and classic DeX mode. So this will give a new look to your tablet. All these features are available in Tab S9 FE Plus. These are the reasons for which a lot of users actually want to buy this tablet. Let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this tablet during Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale, because Flipkart will give more discounts on this tablet than Amazon. Hope this video has become informative. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. And if you have any questions in your mind, feel free to ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.